Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is October 28th, coming up here on the end of the month. But we do have things starting off a little bit lower. Corn down 2 cents as of this morning. Beans down 3.5, with wheat down 5. So giving back some of the gains that we had seen earlier this week. But really, I think corn's finding some pressure here with talks that Chinese customers have temporarily stopped the purchase of DDGs from the U.S. And so there's worries that Beijing may end up launching another anti-dumping probe into imports on just feed ingredients. So that may end up just giving a little bit of a setback here today. But overall, I think as we continue to go through harvest, and we continue to hear good yields, that's giving us a little pressure on corn as well. Beans finding a little bit of a setback this morning as rains continue and continue to project good rains for South America, and that's for the next coming week. So expecting to see decent rains there as well, and well, that's exactly what they need. Harvest certainly moving along, just about wrapped up for beans for most areas. But we do have a big difference in basis. The eastern part of the U.S. certainly positive basis out there, where the West has is still a negative basis. But we'll see how that all plays out. You've got that November bean contract that goes into deliveries on Friday, so watch that. We usually see once that gets into deliveries, the cash market really takes effect, and we can see the markets move around very quickly. So look for that here today. Livestock, cattle jumping higher this morning. $1.75 to $2 higher this morning. Hearing some light trade, 138 trade in Texas. That'd be a rare Tuesday trade, but typically we don't see trade from Tuesday. But anyway, they're looking for things to maybe find some support today. Have we finally gotten past this chatter of processed meats causing cancer? The World Health Organization coming out with that on Monday. Have we gotten over the backlash, and now we continue to see this trend start to firm up a little bit? We've got a good start this morning. We've got to hold these gains today, though, in order to get the bulls back in that market as well. Box beef, though, coming in a little higher. Choice up 89 cents, select up 138. So keep an eye on the cattle here today. Hogs, a little bit higher, 30 cents higher. We've taken out some very good technical areas, support areas for hogs, and we've seen this market back off as well. So can we get a little bit of a recovery here today? We're starting off a little higher, although cutout values down another 93 cents. Cash values have been slipping a little bit as well, but watch these chart points for some good resistance areas if we do get a little strength here today. Stock market up 21 points. Dollar is down 23. There is a Fed meeting that wraps up today. Not a lot of expectations out of this. Not looking for any rate hike here today as well. But we could see some movement around that 1 o'clock, 1:15 time frame as Janet Yellen comes on and makes a speech. Crude oil up 35 cents. We've seen that get hit over the last week or so, but finding a little recovery here today as well. But there's targets near $40 is what guys are certainly keeping an eye on. Maybe we get a push back down to those levels. So a lot thrown at you this morning. Give us a call if you have any questions. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day out there. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.